download Hadoop, so just go to Mozilla. So that's the default browser available in your Ubuntu. So go to Google. So in my Google, I'm going to say Apache Hadoop download. Go to this Apache Hadoop releases. So here you can see your latest version. So in the latest version, click binary. So here you can see the link which allows you to download, this one, the HTTP link which helps you to download your Hadoop. So click this. So here and give save, so that here you can see you are downloading Hadoop 2.7.1 version of Hadoop. So see my Hadoop is of 201 MB and it's downloading. So once that is done, so I'm going to check the files, ls-home just check where my downloaded files are. So you can see my Hadoop is present in my downloads. So now we have to extract, first we need to copy this Hadoop file that what we downloaded to our directory where my Hadoop is going to be. So I'm going to first switch to my user local directory. So then I'm going to copy my Hadoop, the downloaded Hadoop tar file, to my local directory, which is present in downloads. So I'm going to copy that. What it says cp, oh okay, I want to make it as sudo. Okay, I want to mention like the directory, I missed it, sorry. So now my file is successfully copied to my local. So you can see that whether it is copied. So I'm going to switch to user. I'm going to check like where. So here you can see my tar file is successfully copied. So you can see here. So now what I have to do is like, now I have to extract my tar file. So I'm going to use tar command. So xvzf for extracting, and the file name is like the one which I have just now have moved. So you can see all my Hadoop files gets extracted in my folder. So now my files are successfully downloaded. So now you can see my extracted folder is present in this user local. So now what we are going to do is like, when we are going to switch to, when we are going to run Hadoop each and every time, it is tough for us to remember these. So what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to create a shortcut to this folder. So I'm going to create a link folder in Ubuntu. So I'm going to do using my ln, that is linking. access for shortcut. And for what folder? The folder is like Hadoop 2.7.1. and what is the shortcut folder name? It's going to be Hadoop, so that each and every time we no need to remember like what version we are going to use. So you can also see to that here. So here it is, the light green color, Hadoop. So this is what the shortcut what we have created. So you can also see that like what is actually it is. So if I'm going to type this, sorry, okay, ls hyphen. So you can see this folder called Hadoop. It's get linked to the folder which we have extracted. So actually it is not going to hold their files directly. So it's going to link the files which is present in this Hadoop 2.7.1. So now as I told you earlier, I'm going to use my HD user to access this Hadoop environment. So now I'm going to provide the privileges of Hadoop to HD user. So how to do that? It's by using this command called chown, chown. So I'm going to apply it recursively, so it's for all the files. So recursively, and my username is HD user, followed by my so under which group it is Hadoop group, so the group which we have created earlier, and the folder name is Hadoop 2.7.1. so now you can see that actually it is now root. So now the permission for this Hadoop 2.7.1 is also now provided to HD user as well. So now you can access this files which is present in Hadoop to for HD user as well. So now we have to check how far my Java is configured with this Hadoop. So sudo -update alternate it is followed by my config in Java. So you should get something like this when you are trying to install. So this tells you like you have a Java which is already being linked. So now we have successfully installed Hadoop, but we have to make configurations which are required to make your Hadoop to run on single node. So we are going to see to that in our next video.